Hello super friends, welcome to War in the Pacific National Historic Park. This is Guam's tribute to all the heroes that died during World War II. Each flag a life, that's how they call it. So there are like 3,000 flags here representing 1,700 civilians and 1,800 correction 1,081 civilians and 1,880 American servicemen. It's a beautiful tribute to all those that died here on Guam. So these are the K9 heroes. Kapitin natin kung merong Coco. Although ibang spelling.
Pero pati yung itsura.
Si Coco, our Coco. Mig, Skipper. Ricky.
Free? I guess. Iba pala.
Fritz. Yoni. Oh, my girl. Missy. Pokey. Emmy. Tam. Blitz. Poncho. Bursch. Max. Arno.
Tabi. Bakit naman ang pangalan niya?
Tabi.
Gusto ko yung
Duke.
pandok. Ay, halatang no?
German Shepherd. Nakalagay sa kanya, silver.
No?
German Shepherd din.
German
Shepherd yan.
Mukhang husky.
Ludwig.
Mukhang husky to. Hindi pa husky yan.
Hindi.
Yun ang German, no?
Okay. Well, we're here celebrating or commemorating Memorial Day in Asan Beach. War in the Pacific. This is the Uy, Kurt. So Kurt is my son's name also. Kurt is special. War Dogs on Guam.